Let's find out. The names of different kinds of food that start with the letters of the English alphabet. ABC with food. A for almonds. Almonds. B for bubblegum. Bubblegum. C for candy cane. Candy cane. D for donut. Donut. E for eggplant, which can also be pronounced as eggplant. Eggplant or eggplant. F for fruit-flavored cereal. Fruit-flavored cereal. G for gummy tape. Gummy tape. H for honey. Honey. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jalapeno. Jalapeno. K for ketchup. Ketchup. L for lemon. Lemon. M for marshmallow. Marshmallow. N for noodles. Noodles. O for orange. Orange. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q for queso. Queso. R for raspberry. Raspberry. S for syrup. Syrup. T for tomato, which can also be pronounced as tomato. Tomato or tomato. U for ube. Ube. V for velvet cake. Velvet cake. W for waffle. Waffle. X for xiaolongbao. Xiaolongbao. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. And lastly, Z for zucchini. Zucchini. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of food items starting with each alphabet of the English language. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.